Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal and I am so glad you are here. Today I am organizing my sister's kitchen using all organizing containers from the Dollar Tree, so it is super budget friendly. This is actually a 3-part series, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming ones. I have already posted one on my channel and I will leave that link in the description box below. Today I'm specifically organizing her kitchen drawers and her food pantry cupboard. She has 4 drawers and they were just compiled of all sorts of things. So the first thing I did was clear out each of them, and then I categorized each drawer to a specific category. I started with her medication. These Dollar Tree containers fit the medication perfectly. Also, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I love starting with a clean slate. I clear everything out, I wipe it down, I declutter and toss out anything that's expired, and then I place the containers in to see what will fit, and then I add back the items. I organized each supplement into categories, and I also laid them down flat so she can easily see the labels and know what they are. I love a good before and after video. This just warms my little soul right up. This drawer ended up looking so wonderful. It is goals, people. Goals. I loved it. The next drawer I categorized was her storage bag drawer. A simple tip is to already use the boxes things come in. You can simply remove the tops so they are more easily accessible. And I want you to remember, it's not always necessary to place items in their own plastic container. I removed the tops of her plastic bags and her tin foil. I also put her straws and plastic utensils in a little container. This is so much easier to access when she needs to grab a baggie, and also when she buys more bags, she doesn't have to take them out and place them in their own container. Use what you already have. The next drawer I organized was her dishcloth drawer. This one was the easiest to do and the fastest video of the bunch. She doesn't have many dish racks, and that's okay. Blank space is good. I simply removed the dish towels, wiped everything down, and then I folded the dish towels and added them back to the drawer. The next drawer I categorized and organized was her tea drawer. She didn't have a tea drawer, but she wanted a tea drawer, and that made me so excited. My sister sent me a photo of a tea drawer on Pinterest. I can insert it here so you can see. We don't strive for Pinterest perfection. We strive for budget-friendly, useful inspiration. So I had previously told her to buy these little containers from the Dollar Tree, and she had already started organizing it, but I removed them and I set them in vertical. That way you can see all of your teas. These work perfectly to hold tea. I once bought a tea container holder on Amazon and it was about $10. I'll link it below. That one works really great too. It's pretty much like these little ones, but there's about 3 of them. This was obviously $3 or $3.75 compared to the $9, and I think it worked just as well. I removed the tea packets from the boxes and placed like teas together. She also had a collection of loose leaf tea, so I put them all together into a container. I basically added everything she would need to the drawer except for cream and water. And I think this turned out really beautiful. This was actually the top drawer of the bunch, so my whole idea was that she could open the drawer, she could make a tea or a hot cocoa, everything would be there ready to drink. Next, I organized her pantry. First, I removed everything, as I do, and I wiped it down. She had a bunch of seasoning packets, and I put them in these little containers, and I moved them so they were upright. That way she can see what she has, and it's easy to access. She also had enough seasonings to fit into one of these larger white containers, and I felt like it held those perfectly. I consolidated her granola bars and oatmeal. My whole vision for this was in the morning when she's rushing out the door to go to work, she can easily grab an oatmeal packet and a granola bar, and if she has time, she can easily access her tea drawer and make herself a cup of tea. I also put her mac and cheese in a container. I figured she will always have mac and cheese on hand. Then I organized the cans. I love organizing cans, but the problem is you don't always have 2 of a certain thing, so they are always a little mismatched, but the Dollar Tree makes it easy to organize them as you can. I love organizing popcorn into their own container. It just is so satisfying to me. Probably because I love popcorn, and you never know what to do with those little baggies of popcorn. So I put them in their own little container for her little treats. It's so much easier to see what you have on hand when it is organized, which is one of my budget tips. I think it turned out so well. Everything is so much more accessible, so much more pleasing to the eye, and I feel like it really calms the soul. How amazing was that transformation? The tea drawer is absolutely my favorite. Oh my gosh, and I can't believe we did everything on such a small budget. I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved, and I will see you next time on the Lilac House. Bye.